Rumblings of thunder right here in the
all
studio.
over our heads right now.
So true.
That's right. We don't have any severe thunderstorm warnings. We do have some flooding concerns continuing now in parts of the Metroplex, Ken and Kaylee, because of so much rain that's been falling over a short amount of time. Let's take a look outside right now with our Fort Worth sky cam. Definitely the raindrops on the lens there as we've seen this strong storm drifting its way around parts of Tarrant County near downtown Fort Worth. And you can see from our Dallas sky cam off in the distance also catching the heavy rain in parts of North Texas. Not all of us seeing the rain, but we do have some areas dealing with a large amount of rain. Temperatures still in parts of Dallas County in the low 90s to the upper 80s because you've been remaining relatively dry. Let's zoom our way into the strongest storm, one of the stronger storms right now holding through parts of Tarrant County. And you notice as you look at this with me, not a lot of change happening, not a lot of forward movement. So it's been almost stationary, and that's why we do have a flash flood warning that does go from near White Settlement through Saginaw, Keller, near Bedford, stretching down to Hearst and stretching down to just west of Arlington until about 9 o'clock for so much rain that's been falling and getting a little bit closer towards Globe Life Park. In some areas picking up about 2/10 of an inch of rain in some localized areas, but then more than an inch of rain to almost 2 inches in some spots, especially closer towards Keller and to the south and east of Saginaw. Widening out the view also, you can see that green box indicating where we do have an aerial flood advisory until 7:45. So what this means is those low-lying areas that gather all of that rain definitely are going to be possibly flooding or definitely going to be having some maybe travel trouble. We have some video to show you also some rain, as you can take a look right there. This is through parts of Tarrant County as it was pushing its way on in as these storms pushed their way on through. This was near our North Richland Hills off of Roof Snow, North Richland Hills there. So you can definitely see 820 and Roof Snow dealing with some of that wet roadways on the commute on home. As you take a look a little further to the north in parts of Denton County, now seeing some spotty showers and some isolated storms popping up. Same story down to the southwest. The thunderstorm activity in the northwest sides of Bosque County now starting to dissipate just a bit more, but also down to near Comanche County, still seeing some of that heavier rain holding on, and just to near Hamilton, the same story as this thunderstorm is drifting its way around. Over the past 2 to 3 hours in some localized spots, picking up as much as 4 inches of rain. So that's why there also are aerial flood advisories remaining in effect as we go through the next couple of hours for Comanche, Hamilton, and Mills County until 7:15 and Bosque County and for about another 40 minutes. So we've seen these isolated storms developing, widening out the view across North Texas. That's about it, at least right now. Seeing maybe a little bit of rain in parts of Collin County starting to get going. So we're seeing the shower activity still holding together. Our future sky forecast a bit aggressive over the next few hours, but does indicate that we have the potential of these storms holding on through probably the 9 to 10 o'clock hour. Where we haven't seen the rain, it's still warm. We're at 92 in Allen to 94 in Rowlett, North Richland Hills 89, Keller 85 with that rain cooled air, and 92 right now into Denton. At Globe Life Park right now, you can still see some sunshine filtering through. The sky's getting a little bit more dark, so the rain chances 20 to 30%. Maybe seeing some of the storms getting closer for us. We'll see temperatures into the low 80s going into the evening hours, and I'm still keeping some storm chances around. Into the remainder of the afternoon to evening hours, you see those storms popping up on our future sky forecast. Into tomorrow, we'll start out dry, and then I expect to see another chance of showers and storms in the late afternoon hours. 93 degrees will be our high temperature. We have so much moisture in place. When you have storms like this in the daytime hours and also into the evening hours, we start to see some boundaries just hanging out for the next day, and you'll see rain chances sitting at 20% through Saturday and Sunday. High temperatures back to 98 degrees by next Monday.